Hi, this is me, Arafat from Sun Overseas Company, Pakistan. As I told you that we are installing the Himalayan pink salt brakes and the salt wall. Here you can see that what we have done yet. Now I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna show you about Himalayan pink salt brake. This is the A1 A grade quality premium Himalayan salt brake. Right now, how do we install this wall? I'm gonna tell you all about this in this video. So keep watch this video. As I told you that we are installing the Himalayan pink salt brakes and the salt wall. Here you can see that what we have done yet. There you can see the foil sheet what we have pasted on the wall. After that we plug the LED lights on this wall for the lighting purpose, and then third step we have made a wooden frame. Wooden frame is basically a back side on this wall because of the support of the Himalayan pink salt brakes. Now I'm gonna show you about Himalayan pink salt brake. This is the A1 A grade quality premium Himalayan salt brake what we are exporting from Pakistan to worldwide. You can see the size of this salt brakes is 4 inches is the height, 2 inches is the thickness, and 8 inches the length. So this is the premium quality of Himalayan pink salt brake. installed the Himalayan pink salt wall. It's slightly little bit approximately 10% work has been remained. So after that we will complete this whole Himalayan pink salt wall to show you this complete wall. How do we finalize this? So please keep watching this video.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Feet of flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke.
I'm going to show you that we have finalized this wall. This is the Himalayan pink salt bricks wall. These walls are made by some overseas company for the office, and you can see here the finishing of this installation of Himalayan pink salt bricks and walls. These are very much premium quality. We made it by the Himalayan pink salt. It's a pure salt of Pakistan. It's a gold of Pakistan, what we are exporting from Pakistan. Right now, I want to tell you first of all that these are the Himalayan pink salt bricks, which size is 2 inches is the thickness, 4 inches is the height, and 8 inches is the length. If you are interested of Himalayan pink salt bricks, tiles, or some other products of wellness for your saunas, or for your spas, for your healing center, halotherapy centers, you can just call us or you can just email us. You will get our all contact details in the description box of this video. We will provide you these for your door delivery steps or your delivery destination ports. If you want to see our next project, so please subscribe our channel and contact us. We will send you the links. Thank you.